This review is all about the Guardian of the Night Tarot, a beautifully illustrated 78 card tarot deck and guidebook set by MJ Cullinane, published by Hay House Inc. This deck blends emotive animal symbolism with classic tarot structure, making it feel both deeply spiritual and naturally intuitive for readings. In terms of tarot system, Guardian of the Night follows the traditional 78 card format with the 22 major and 56 minor arcana, so it's fully compatible with classic spreads and interpretations. However, it doesn't simply mimic Rider-Waite and templates. Instead, it's infusing symbolic content with rich nature and animal themes that feel freshly expressive and resonant. Think of it as a Rider-Waite influenced deck with its own mythic voice, especially suited for readers who favor intuitive or narrative-driven interpretations rather than purely textbook symbolism. But I think this deck is absolutely stunning, which is why I like it in this full size. And this creator, whose name I can't pronounce very well, she's also done the dog tarot and a couple of crow tarots. Her illustrations they're just beautiful. This one centers around powerful animal imagery and atmospheric nocturnal scenes, from fireflies lighting your path through dark forests to creatures that embody spiritual guides, creating a sense of emotional depth and guidance that's evocative even on quick draws. The expressive colors, layered textures, and wild at night mood give familiar cards a fresh energy. A few standout cards you'll notice right away are those that really lean into symbolic storytelling. For example, animal figures that represent strength, transformation, and inner wisdom. These cards can act very clearly as anchors for reading because even readers new to tarot find emotional connection through the imagery. And the back of the cards, that in itself is beautiful. If you enjoy decks that weave emotional nuance into the imagery and resonate with animal symbolism and intuitive guidance, this one feels like a thoughtful, heartfelt choice that stands out from more traditional decks. I feel it's a bridge between classic tarot and a more narrative, symbolic experience. Perfect for readers who want something that speaks to both emotional insight and some everyday wisdom in their practice. I love this one. Hope you do too.